Yo, I'm 𝐂𝐾𝐞 over here, and today I've got a super cool, super sporty luxury SUV for you all. Now check it out. Introducing Audi Q5 3-liter Quattro. That's right, that's not your regular Q5. This bad boy is powered by a 3-liter V6 turbocharged engine, producing 348 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque. Look at this bad boy. The condition is superb. As you can see, in beautiful white color. There we go. 3-liter Quattro Q5. So as usual, let's start from the boot. Of course, it features electric tailgate and a very nice large boot space for you to put all your barang. And as you can see, this button is for you to drop the bench forward to create even more room to transport things. All right, let's close this. Now behind, as you can see, there is plenty of room, full leather interior. Of course, comes with rear passenger aircon and very spacious. And now, let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very beautiful looking cabin. Over here, as you can see, it says Quattro. That means this car is 4-wheel drive. Proper SUV with V6 and plenty of power to all 4 wheels. Okay, first thing you might notice is this. A very cool looking steering wheel with a start button right here. This has actually been retrofitted from an Audi R8. How cool is that? Really super cool. Okay, so your speedometer cluster over here, very nice and classy with needles pointing down. I really like this about Audis. Okay, your infotainment system is here, original Audi infotainment system. Over here, your aircon controls, your automatic gearbox. You have electric parking brake here. These are the controls for your infotainment system. Also very nice. Okay, as you can see, full leather interior. Both driver and passenger seats are fully electric. And as you can see, guys, the condition of this car is amazing. Of course, steering wheel comes with pedal shifters and it's multifunctional as well. All right. Now about the deal. Okay, the deal for this car is truly something unbelievable. You can get this right at only, listen to this, $18,000 depreciation for a V6 3-liter all-wheel drive SUV Continental. At this Depre is really super good deal. Now, in terms of COE, this car still got, let's see, 8 years and 5 months left on COE. A lot of time for you to enjoy this beauty. So, you all know what to do. Do not hesitate. Call me. 𝐬𝐿 give you a good deal.